So this is part 3. I want to show you in video streaming what I did for the HLS, but the HLS is not it's not real time because of the segments that are created. There are the segment themselves are not closed and not fast enough in order to make it real time. So what I did, I just connected the TCP server push to the LA card HLS sync, and let me show you. It's too much busy for some reason. Remember, this is only R&D for now, but let's connect the client, server push, card HLS sync, connecting to this one. I need to set the output path to the nginx directory. By the way, I need to install nginx, so I need to tell him to make it here. Let's delete this one. This one should be should be here, and output path, let's call it live. Okay, so see, this is the segment, but the segment cannot be like 1 second, this filter. So it should be, this is the idea that I want to change. But for example, let's make it time, and it will stream here. Start the player, start the, and what I did also, I installed the native HLS player to run it from the GUI. So we can see we have like a 5-second delay. All the time it's resyncing. This is what I did like 10 seconds ago. So HLS is working, but it's not live streaming. We need to find a way. How to set up this by the way, very easy. Just install nginx. Change the conf if you have a problem with the others port 80. What else? I think I already changed it. That this one should be supported HLS. To add an HLS. Nginx, but you can find anywhere the conf file. That's it. You should have HLS working, but it's not live. Next thing, to find a way to make TS elementary playing on the website live. I think that I have an idea to hack the HLS. This is one thing I want to do. RTMP, I don't know yet what to do with it. There is another option with ffmpeg packaging, but it's working also offline with the file and not live. So currently I don't have idea to do it. If somebody wants to join me with this R&D investigation, welcome. This is my email, and let's do it. Thanks guys, bye.